Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the weight of an order on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the weight after an order has been placed. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Whatnot. Next, click on the upper right hand corner where it says your profile icon and then click on orders. Now on this page here, find the order that you want to go ahead and adjust. So let's go ahead and adjust this order here. Then scroll down and click on view shipment. Now it's going to redirect you to this page. So afterwards, what you're going to go ahead and do is that you're going to go ahead and scroll down and exit out of this right hand window, but find the order which you want to go ahead and adjust the weight for. So we're going to click on the pencil icon on the right hand side, click on next. Then here's the item weight. We're going to go ahead and change this to 8 ounces. And there you have it. Click on save changes. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the weight of an order on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.